So hey YouTube family, how are you all? So today we are going to show you how to download Windows 8 Professional ISO file for free. So first of all, you have to visit this URL. I have also mentioned this URL in the description. Once you visit this URL, you will be redirected to this page, and once you will click on this button and you will be redirected to this page, and then you have to click on start downloading and your download will be started automatically. Okay, so if you don't find any software on our website, then you can request the software file here. Also, we have our forum section where you can discuss your query or discuss about all other softwares or anything. If anything is left there, you can also drop us a mail to us. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.